With all the activities going on in the summertime, it is important that you create little moments in your week to rest and reset. Today, I'll be guiding you through a summer reset meditation for relaxation and self-love, inviting renewed energy, opportunities, and abundance into your life. These affirmations are a powerful way for changing your mindset, manifesting your desires, and creating positive changes in your life. Listen to this audio every time you need it and use this time to connect with yourself, practice self-care and self-love. By repeating these affirmations, you'll be focusing your attention and energy on nurturing powerful intentions, priming yourself to move towards the life you want. I will repeat each affirmation twice and then give you time to repeat after me. Feel free to recite these affirmations in your mind or out loud. I have nowhere else to be but here right now. I have nowhere else to be but here right now. Calmness washes over me with every deep breath I take. Calmness washes over me with every deep breath I take. As my body and mind become more relaxed, I can recharge more easily. As my body and mind become more relaxed, I can recharge more easily. I can easily create recharge periods every day in my life. I can easily create recharge periods every day in my life. My peace is my power. My peace is my power. I choose to be kind to myself. I choose to be kind to myself. I love myself just as I am today. I love myself just as I am today. There are some things I can't change, and I'm okay with that. There are some things I can't change, and I'm okay with that. I go through life one step at a time. I go through life one step at a time. I allow myself time to heal. I allow myself time to heal. I listen with love to my body's messages. I listen with love to my body's messages. I accept all of me unconditionally. I accept all of me unconditionally. I take time to nourish my whole self. I take time to nourish my whole self. I'm a priority in my own life. I'm a priority in my own life. I'm doing the best I can, and that is enough. I am doing the best I can, and that is enough. I am vibrant and resilient. I am vibrant and resilient. Life supports me in every possible way. Life supports me in every possible way. I always choose love. I always choose love. I am deeply grateful for my life. I am deeply grateful for my life. Today, I am at peace. Today, I am at peace. Repeat these affirmations every day or as you need them. Write down the affirmation that resonates to you the most and put it somewhere where you can see it multiple times a day. Enjoy the positive changes these affirmations bring into your life. Sending you love and light. Namaste.